Here we have a 21 plate Mercedes-Benz GLC 300D 4MATIC AMG line Premium Plus. Now this vehicle comes with the 20-inch alloy wheels in silver. We do also have the polar white exterior paintwork. We have the LED headlights, Pan America front grille, and the black Mercedes badge in the centre. And there's a look at that front end. Now coming round to the passenger side, you'll find the side steps along the bottom, making it easier to get in and out of the vehicle. Colour coded door handles and door mirrors. We have the brush metal trim around the windows and the privacy glass at the rear. Now we do also have the glass sunroof up top. It's currently on a tilt. We can also slide all the way open. We do have the gloss black rear spoiler as well on the tailgate, looking nice and aggressive just there. Now we do have the 360-degree cameras with the parking sensors and a visual display inside. Rear diffuser at the back along with the power operated tailgate. Press the button on the remote and you'll find it will open just like so. Now inside of here you can see we have plenty of space for whatever you may need. We do also have the parcel shelf at the top, storage net just here on the left hand side, and also we have hooks either side inside of here. Coming back out we also have a handle along with a button. Press the button and the boot will close again just like so. And making our way back round to the driver's side, you'll find the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if we take a look then at the interior now. Inside of the back first, you'll find we have the leather seats. We do have the foldable armrests in the centre and fixed ISO points as well back here. Got the grey stitching, as you can see just there. Climate control with the vents in the centre for the rear passengers. We also have the AMG floor mats. Wooden effect trim on the doors, along with the Burmester sound system and electric windows. Taking a look at the front, you'll find the same leather seats. Both these front seats are heated and they're also electrically adjustable with the memory functions. There's a look at both of them. Seat controls are on the doors, along with again the Burmester sound system, electric mirrors and electric windows with child lock for the rear, automatic lights just there, and there's a look as well at the roof from the inside. Let's just take a seat inside. You'll find the multifunctional steering wheel along with the digital dashboard. You put a foot on the brake, press the start button, the vehicle will start up for us. I'll just turn the volume down. You see we also have the phone connectivity on the left hand side. Paddle shifters either side of the steering wheel, cruise control and speedometer just here on the right. We have digital dashboard free from any warning lights. You can also change the view. As you can see, you've got plenty of different features to go through. We also have the main infotainment screen here in the centre. Again, plenty of features down here. If we go through some of them, it's currently showing the sat nav, but we've got all the buttons just down here. Click onto radio, got the radio stations, media options, Bluetooth phone connectivity as well for phone calls. Now if we go onto the main menu, we can scroll through all the other features. If this screen or any other screens are flickering in this video, it's just the camera, they're not flickering in real life, it's nothing to worry about. As you can see, we have ambient lighting, plenty of colours to go through, it looks really nice at night time. Onto the apps, and you'll find Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Further down, again we've got the wooden effect trim here in the centre, dual zone climate control for the front passengers, ice cold air conditioning as well. Inside of here you find the cup holders with some storage space and also a Type-C USB port. Touchpad just there for the infotainment screen along with the drive mode switch. As you can see we have Eco, Comfort, Sport, Sport Plus and also the individual drive mode. Let's leave it in Comfort for now. Putting the car into reverse you then find the 360 cameras. We can go through each individual camera. As you can see they all work just as you'd expect them to. Putting it back into park, and that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, please get in contact or check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this Mercedes-Benz GLC 300D 4MATIC AMG line Premium Plus. Now the purpose of the video test drive is to show the vehicle that drives as you expect it to. As you can see, I'm about to fire up the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side, staying straight and true. Now we do have the multifunctional steering wheel, which has the paddle shifters either side, so if you want to take the car into manual mode, simply tap on the paddles to change gear. We also have the volume buttons and phone connectivity here on the left, speedometer and the cruise control on the right. Digital dashboard in front of us as well, which can show different features and displays that you would have seen in the walk around video. If you do listen carefully throughout the video test drive, you'll also notice you'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. We do have the premium Burmester sound system, which really does sound incredible. Full leather seats as well throughout the vehicle, which are really comfortable. You can easily do 2, 3, or even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Both front seats are also heated, which is perfect for them cold winter mornings. Now we do have many more features on the interior of the vehicle. We've got the glass sunroof just up there, nice wooden effect trim which runs all throughout, really makes the interior a nice place to be. We then have the main infotainment screen that's currently showing the sat nav, but plenty more features on there, again you would have seen on the photos. Automatic gearbox as well, which is really smooth going through all the gears, along with having the different drive modes. Now we are about to take a right hand turn, so we've got our right indicator on. We're going to slow down, take a right hand turn onto the industrial park, and it will perform emergency stop now in 3, 2 and 1. Pad onto the brakes, put the car into reverse, got the reverse camera 360 view, back into drive, change to the front facing camera with no issues whatsoever. Now if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team where they can answer all unanswered questions along with running for some inquiries of you. That's all from me today though. Cheers.